also.
If you no, we talk about this. Spoken English and become somebody else. Discipline. What was extraordinary done? How do you rate discipline of your previous school?
It was excellent. It was wonderful.
Out of 100?
Out of 100, I'll give 80.
80.
Yeah,
so
because 20 is still left because mixed crowd is
what
there.
What do you like the best in discipline in your school?
The uniform, that was really wonderful. Once we told them how to wear it and how to manage it till the end of the day. It's not that when you come from your home, you are speak and span, and by the time you leave, the girls with the open hair or the boys with the shirts out, if this will not be acceptable. So that was, I'll give 100 out of 100 for the uniform. And second thing, walking in the corridors. That was the best part in the school. If they're walking in the corridors, it seems they are there in the school and they're not loitering away.
And was there any discipline committee?
No, we don't have any discipline committee as such because the head boy, head girl, they were the members of the discipline committee and they have their team. So it was the responsibility of the students from 10th to 6th to manage that discipline.
80 marks out of 100.
Yeah, because there are things.
You speak about English.
Spoken English was somewhere. I will not give 100 out of 100. I'll give 70, 75 because you know the students they need to be checked again and again for the spoken English. They have this habit probably because we all are Hindi speakers at home. Here I have seen regional language is one of the issues. So, but in Delhi also we have students who are not that tentative. Probably the confidence, one part I feel is the confidence, they lack confidence, and second thing, they were habitual of conversing in Hindi. Even we are habitual of conversing in Hindi. At times I start in English and then slowly and gradually when the conversation moves on, I also move to Hindi. So probably that is the thing which has to be checked again and again. And the students were the, again, for spoken English, no teachers were motivating them, but students were having this committee.
Very good. Anybody else? Two minutes. Anybody? Yeah. It's always pleasure to listen to you. Disha Rajesh. Thank you, madam. What is your name?
Shalini.
Shalini. Disha, on these 2 days, where we want to show improvement this year?
So, if you ask me, I rate my previous school, which was in Kerala. In discipline, I gave 95 out of 100.
She should be put in this way to you, madam. Please put her.
The way children walk to the assembly, they go to AD room, computer lab, wherever it is. They usually keep their hands behind and walk in a line. And they're not allowed to talk. It was, nobody used to supervise them. But they knew that they were supposed to do that. Because even when...
Was there some pressure on them that if they did not follow, this will happen?
No. Only the teacher, suppose the respective teacher used to come to the class and make them in a line and she leads them and they used to follow. This was taken care from LKG onwards. From LKG they were trained for this and we could see that till class 10 they were following it. Regarding spoken English too, each and every teacher was supposed to speak only in English. The atmosphere was created that they listen only to English, no other language. So naturally, they also got into the habit of conversing only in English. Not even in the campus, even outside the campus, they were conversing only in English.
Okay, I think that they must be conversing in English.
Yes.
I really know your discipline points also. But can you tell about what was the parents' percentage complaint about the school?
I personally did not get any complaints. I don't know about
the complaint.
No, sir. Because from LKG they were trained. From the day one, teachers were talking only in English, sir.
No, I'm not saying. Complaints of the parents. Was there any type of any complaint of the parents?
I'm not aware of. I don't know about management whether they got it, but we were not told about it. So.
What was this called?
It's in Kerala. It's called Excel.
There are so many KVs. My KVs are there. What is the name of the school?
Excel Public School.
Well,
but I was shocked to see the discipline and the way children speak here, both in Sanskriti and Akshara. I rate them very low, maybe 40, 60, 50%.
So you have come, let us see next year we will talk again.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. Anybody else somebody had come from Delhi also? You have spoken. Anybody else who wants to say? I think we'll wind it up. The idea is that you should, I will request Vice Principal and the ma'am to have those sessions like this. Let's see what can we do. And dear teachers, besides this committee, if you have got something extraordinary idea, please go and give to the in charges. We will welcome that. And we definitely have to improve. When you say we are at the top, if we are not at the top, we are at the second top, then you have to be top everywhere. I tell you, for any school, three things are the most important thing. One is the board results, including the internal results. Whether extra produces excellent. Second thing, how you are being accepted outside in the society. So when I talk to the parents, those who even complain about small things, have appreciated school and teachers. Many times I have said that appreciation which they have written or spoken to me, got noted from the teachers. So I would like kindly see that we come up to the expectations of this. And third thing, which is about admission. You know how many admissions have taken place this year? Roughly, madam? About 200. Those I was saying some number, 250. My God, 250 new parents coming to your school. That day it was full on. Have you seen that? If admission statistics tell that you are accepted outside, please see how you have to behave, what you have to do, what are the expectations of the management of the school. Kindly follow whatever has been told to you. And thank you very much. We will keep on meeting every month.